Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be unboxing the Sony WH-CH510 wireless stereo headsets. So let's get started. On the front of the box, the Sony branding has been done and the model number of these headsets are WH-CH510 and it has a 35-hour battery life and it can be connected to Bluetooth. So let's open the box now. You can see that some details related to the headsets have been given here. And now I'll open the box. An instruction manual comes with it, and we also get another instruction manual. And next up we get our headsets. We also get the charger in this box, but I actually lost it, so let's keep the box aside now. Okay, so let's check the instruction manual now. There are some controls which are related to the headsets, and in the next instruction manual is almost the same thing. Yeah, you can see it. Now let's keep it aside. So now let's come to our headsets. The build quality of these headphones is pretty nice, and they can be adjusted like this also and can be rotated like this also for more good stability in the ear. And there are 3 buttons here. This is the power button and the other 2 are multifunctional buttons. You can adjust the volume and do next and previous videos from there. And this is the Type-C charging port. You can charge the headsets from your mobile's charger also if it is a Type-C charger. And here is the LED indicator. And yeah, you also get a mic with these headphones. So here's the marking of right and left also. And yeah, the cushion of these headsets is also very good. You can wear these for long hours without any strain in your head. So about the build quality now, no doubt it's super good, and on the sides of it you can see that a pattern is there which gives it a really premium look. And here's the Sony branding over here. So now let's quickly turn on our headsets. You have to press and hold this button for 3 to 4 seconds and you can see that the LED indicator is blinking now. There's also a turn on notification which you hear when you wear these headsets. These Sony headphones come with Bluetooth 5.0 and the key feature of these is that they come with 35 hours of huge battery life, and yeah, you can press the power button again for 3 to 4 seconds to turn them off. I have been using these headsets since 2 years and I'm actually having 2 of them. And yeah, they have given me a pretty good listening experience, and when you listen to 8D sounds on it, it feels like the sound is revolving around your head and it feels very real. The inbuilt microphone quality is very nice. These headphones come in 3 different colors, which is blue, black and white, so you can buy any of them. And the battery life of these headsets has also never disappointed me. So guys, I hope that the video must have been helpful. If yes, drop a thumbs up, and if you want these headsets, I'll put the link in the description below. Till then, you can subscribe my channel for more tech videos and unboxings. Bye bye.